once again to my channel. It's your girl Biola Party Heaven, and this is my 100th video. I am so excited that I've been able to share my work, my ideas. I've been able to share some tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. And it's a big cheers to the next 100. I am so happy that I've got 100 videos for you guys now, and hopefully we'll get to 200 videos, 300, and as many as we can get to. So today for the 100th video, I am going to be showing you how to do something very simple, very easy. It's something fishy. That is, you could use it for an underwater theme party decor or centerpiece. It's an octopus. It is so simple. It is so easy to do. All you need is an 11-inch balloon. This is a polka dot 11 inches. Polka dot 11 inches, and I've got 260 Qs. I've got 6 of them, so you need 6 of this, and then you need 2 eyes. This balloons that's got the eyeball on it, so that the octopus could have eyes. So that is all. Oh yes, and you need your trusted and pump, and you need this. And I've showed a video of this before. I'm not sure you guys remember what it was how to do a squiggle, a curly 260Q or 160Q. So all you would need is this is from my cling film. So you could finish up the cling film and then you keep the cardboard in between. And what you just need to do is tie a 260Q balloon to the cardboard, and then that's what you're going to use to color the 260Qs anyway. So before I go on, before I show you what I have for you today, please make sure you click the subscription button. I love to read it from you. Yeah, so do remember to subscribe. Moving on. So I'm going to inflate the 260s Q. I've inflated some already, but I'm just going to show you how to do just one to save on watch time. So what you do is you take this and you put the 260Q in between the cardboard and the balloon you've tied to the mouth of the cardboard. And then you wrap this 260Q round. I've seen some people use their hand for a curly 260Q, but I find this is really easy for me to do. And then you put it in between your legs, and you get your hand pump. And pump away. So as you're pumping, you're turning the cardboard. You keep turning and turn. Turn. So you curl it to the very end. Yeah? Okay, so you tie off the mouth. So like I said, I've done another one already, and you just tie the two together. So I've got 6 of them. 6 of the tentacles of the octopus I'm making. So you set that aside, and then you inflate the 11 inches to whatever size. It depends on how big you want it to be. So for instance, I'm going to be using this for an underwater kind of thing. And you tie the nozzle, set aside, yeah. Another thing I need to do is I'm going to press. I don't want the head to be too round. And then you take the eyes. This is in white. Inflates just a bit. You tie. one. And take the next one. Make sure these are the same size. Then you tie the two together. Then you tie this onto it. Yeah, like so. Tie the nozzle. So you tie the two together. And then you take the 6 tentacles, you wrap them round each other. So you wrap them round like so. And take the next one, wrap it around, and then so you wrap it around the tentacles. And there you have your lovely octopus. This won't take you too long at all. It's simple and easy, and yeah, you just add it to your underwater theme. You could even use it as a centerpiece. You know, I've got my pedestal there, so you could just use it as your centerpiece if you've got an underwater theme. So then I'll adjust the camera. You know. Yeah. See? Simple and easy octopus centerpiece. And you just, you know, just wrap the tentacles around the centerpiece, and then you have your base. And yeah, you've got something simple and easy. Well, thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for the journey so far once again. So stay tuned for my next video. Remember to subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you. Bye for now.